Cordless ratchets allow you to work on your vehicles or your home without putting in the effort to operate a manual ratchet and without the risk of tripping on an air ratchet's air hose. These tools use a battery to power the motor, which in turn rotates the head of the ratchet. More than just time saving, it allows you to work in tight spaces without having to worry about your ratchet handle's swing clearance. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best cordless ratchets you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. Trying to thread your ratchet through the parts in your engine or behind a wall in your home is incredibly difficult if you're not using a cordless ratchet like the KIMO Cordless Ratchet. It has an ultra-slim head to maneuver through narrow spaces and a built-in LED light so you can see where the head needs to go. You also can control the amount of speed you want to use with the variable speed trigger that allows you to increase the speed from 0 to 400 revolutions per minute. This 3/8-inch cordless ratchet has a maximum torque of 40 feet lbs, and it has an ergonomic handle that helps reduce hand fatigue and resists common chemicals in automotive, marine, and aviation industries. It also features a forward-reverse switch, a trigger lock, and an onboard battery gauge so you can keep track of how much power your battery has remaining. This 12-volt cordless ratchet comes in a protective carrying case and includes 7 common sockets and a 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch drive adapter. Number 4. AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. When you get this cordless ratchet set home, you can begin working almost immediately due to the rapid charging time of the battery charger. Each of the two included 12-volt lithium-ion batteries takes just 1 hour to fully charge. The set also comes with 6 stainless steel sockets in the most common sizes, one 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter, and a 3-inch extension bar. The cordless ratchet has a maximum torque of 40 feet lbs and produces a speed of up to 280 revolutions per minute, which can be controlled with the variable speed trigger. This product also has an LED light on the front for better visibility and battery power indicator lights on the side so that you know when you are running low on power. This set comes in a durable plastic case that has organized slots to keep your tools safe when they aren't being used. Number 3. ACDelco G12 Series Cordless Ratchet Kit. Tackle common automotive jobs, like spark plug replacement, with this 3/8-inch cordless ratchet. It comes equipped with a variable speed trigger that has a forward-reverse setting as well as an electric brake that stops the ratchet as soon as you release the trigger to prevent over-tightening. Weighing just 3 pounds, it has a maximum torque of 57 feet lbs and can operate at up to 160 revolutions per minute. The cordless ratchet comes with 2 12-volt lithium-ion batteries, a durable plastic case, and a fast charger that can fully charge one battery in 30 minutes. The built-in LED light gives you a clear view of the area you are working in, and the soft, ergonomic grip provides comfort to your hands while you work. This tool also features a trigger lock switch and a slim body design to access hard-to-reach locations under the hood of your car. Number 2. Eastvolt Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. The sleek black and red design of this 3/8-inch cordless ratchet will look great in your toolbox or garage, but the real value is the included battery, charger, sockets, socket adapter, and carrying case. This affordable cordless ratchet set has 7 stainless steel sockets, a 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter, and a rapid battery charger that can fully charge the battery in just 1 hour. This product has a 12-volt motor that produces a maximum torque of 35 feet lbs and a maximum speed of 230 revolutions per minute. A built-in LED light, a slim body, a narrow head, and an anti-slip grip handle allows you to work comfortably in tight places, while the 2-step start switch prevents accidental starts. When you are done using the ratchet, you can pack the set away into the included plastic carrying case's organized slots. Number 1. S-Long Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. The S-Long cordless ratchet has a high maximum speed of 400 revolutions per minute and a top torque output of 40 feet lbs. You can control the power and speed of the 3/8-inch ratchet with the variable speed trigger, but if the battery runs low, you can use the included manual ratchet wrench. This set also comes with a built-in LED light, 8 standard sockets, a 3/8-inch to 1/4-inch adapter, and an extension bar. The 12-volt cordless ratchet weighs just 1.8 pounds and it has a soft, rubber-coated grip designed to not easily slip out of your hands during use. The included battery charger will fully charge a battery in just 60 minutes, and you can keep track of the charge with the battery power indicator on the ratchet. This cordless ratchet has a forward and reverse switch to change the direction of the rotation and a lock switch to prevent the ratchet from operating if you accidentally press the trigger. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.